And the last KPI we are discussing in this chapter to end this more theoretical part quickly. It is the cost-revenue ratio, again a number that compares cost with revenue. I know this is all kind of similar in the end result, but we still have to discuss them so that you know when, let's say you read your numbers in Google Ads and it says CRR is 19%, and then you have to know, okay, what does it mean? Because otherwise you will struggle in a digital marketing world. Okay, so this shows the ratio between revenue and cost. The smaller the ratio, the more efficient the campaign is in this case. So while we had return on advertising spend with a higher percentage, it's better. In this case, we want to have a lower one, because the formula is costs divided by revenue times 100. So actually the exact opposite. And this is for the full campaign. So it's not only for, let's say, Facebook ads, it's not only for your influencer part of this campaign, it's for the full campaign you're having for that product launch maybe, or the Easter campaign, Christmas campaign, back to school, some new, I don't know, rebranding you're doing, whatever. So this is for the full campaign. Example, an online shop sells shoes and generates again 65,000 revenue this month, so same number as here. Marketing costs total were 12,500 for this month. So you divide costs, so that costs divided by revenue times 100 gives you 19. And obviously the lower here the cost number, the lower the percentage number. Because this tells me now, okay, my costs were about 19% of my revenue. So I can extract 19% of my revenue, probably on average each month, which tells me, okay, there's only 81% left for profit. And then there's for sure other costs as well. So this is how I calculate my marketing budget. Marketing budget is probably about 20%, 19-20% of my revenue. And if I increase that, obviously there should be an increase here. If I see that I double this, but this long term, obviously not in the first month, but long term, doesn't double as well, then just this number goes up and my marketing cost in percentage compared to the revenue is higher, which is obviously not good because there's less money in profit. This is a very exciting number, I have to say, because it's always important to know your marketing budget. It shouldn't be too high. And if you see that, let's say for Facebook ads, your return on ad spend is way higher than for influencer marketing, maybe you should do more of this and less of influencer marketing. So if you see marketing budget, that's 19%, 10% of that is Facebook, 5% is influencer, and 4% is social media, then this could be, in this case, a good thing, because paid ads bring a lot, influencer does not, but it's a different touch point, and maybe social media is anyway mainly free, so this is also something that we can leave on. In marketing, it's not about doing a lot. It is about doing a lot, of course, but it's not about doing every channel and 20 different social media accounts on X, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. Then we add 10 different paid ads websites. This is not it. It's about focusing on your best, maybe 5 channels. Maybe you do organic Instagram and TikTok, you do paid Google and Facebook, and you do a bit of influencer marketing. And this is what you pay for. Then you maybe have a newsletter, a website, and all these other things that run with it. But spending wise, you shouldn't do 20,000 things at the same time, only to see, okay, this doesn't bring more value than just focusing on 4-5 bigger channels, bigger in money, and really knowing what I'm doing there. So it's not about pushing every channel you can find. It's more about finding the right channels for your target audience and spending the right money there.